Hey everyone. Today we're going to look at the 5 best paint sprayers on the market for this year. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro, these paint sprayers are tailored to meet your every painting need. We are going to show you our 5 selections, and we'll discuss whether they are worth purchasing or not. For additional details and the latest pricing on the mentioned products, visit the links in the description below. Okay, so let's get started. Number 1. Gadget Paint Sprayer. If you're on the hunt for a powerful and versatile paint sprayer, look no further than the paint sprayer, IT 191. This high-power HVLP spray gun is a game-changer when it comes to tackling painting projects of all sizes. The package includes 5 copper nozzles and 3 spray patterns, offering you the flexibility to choose the perfect nozzle and pattern for furniture, fences, cars, bicycles, chairs, and more. What sets the paint sprayer apart is its user-friendly design. The adjustable flow control knob allows for easy customization of paint output, making it suitable for beginners and experienced painters alike. The lightweight and ergonomic handle ensures a comfortable grip, reducing hand fatigue during extended painting sessions. Cleanup is a breeze with its easy-to-clean feature, saving you precious time and effort. Whether you're a enthusiast or a professional painter, it will undoubtedly become your go-to painting companion. It delivers a consistent and smooth finish, giving your projects a professional touch without the hassle of traditional brushes or rollers. Say goodbye to uneven coats and hello to a flawless paint job with the paint sprayer. Number 2. Graco Magnum Stand Airless Paint Sprayer. For those seeking an airless paint sprayer that can handle larger projects with ease, the Graco X5 Magnum is the ultimate choice. This stand's airless paint sprayer boasts powerful performance and durable construction that can tackle both interior and exterior painting tasks effortlessly. The Graco Magnum X5 features a stainless steel piston pump that ensures consistent pressure and a smooth spray, reducing the chances of annoying splatters. It comes equipped with a flexible suction tube, enabling you to spray directly from a 1 or 5 gallon paint container, saving you time on frequent refills. Thanks to its user-friendly design, setting up the Graco Magnum X5 is a breeze. The adjustable pressure control allows you to fine-tune your spray pattern from narrow to wide, giving you the freedom to take on different painting projects. Its sturdy, stable stand ensures stability during use, and the easy-to-clean design simplifies the post-painting cleanup. Number 3. HomeRight Finish Max Paint Sprayer. When precision and versatility matter most, the HomeRight Finish Max Paint Sprayer comes to the rescue. This HVLP electric spray gun features a single superior brass tip that can handle a wide range of materials, from stains and sealers to thin latex paints. Whether you're refinishing furniture or adding a fresh coat of paint to your cabinets, this sprayer has got you covered. What makes the HomeRight Finish Max stand out is its simplicity and efficiency. It's designed to be beginner-friendly, making it an excellent choice for enthusiasts and homeowners looking to tackle home improvement projects without breaking the bank. The adjustable settings allow you to switch between 3 different spray patterns easily, adapting to your specific painting needs. The lightweight design ensures comfortable handling for extended painting sessions, and the 27-ounce container capacity reduces the frequency of refilling. Furthermore, the integrated air turbine eliminates the need for an external air compressor, simplifying the setup process and making it a portable painting solution. Number 4. Graco Truco 360DS Paint Sprayer. For those seeking a handheld paint sprayer that doesn't compromise on performance, the Graco 17A466 Truco 360DS is a top-notch choice. This portable paint sprayer offers unmatched convenience and is perfect for small to medium-sized projects. The Truco 360DS features a dual-speed control that allows you to adjust the flow rate, giving you precise control over the paint application. Whether you need to cover broad surfaces or target intricate details, this sprayer handles it all with ease. The vacuum valve technology ensures a continuous spray, even when the sprayer is held at various angles. Changing paint colors is a breeze with a FlexLiner bag system, which also makes cleanup a snap. The stainless steel piston pump ensures reliable performance and consistent spray patterns, leaving you with a professional-looking finish. Number 5. Graco Magnum Cart Paint Sprayer. When you need heavy-duty performance for large-scale projects, the Graco Magnum Pro X19 Cart Paint Sprayer is the ultimate workhorse. This cart paint sprayer delivers a powerful spray and is designed for serious painters and contractors who require exceptional results. It features a Proxchange pump replacement system, allowing you to replace the pump on the job site quickly. This means minimal downtime and maximum productivity, even during extended painting sessions. With the ability to handle up to 150 feet of paint hose, you can reach high and distant surfaces with ease. The rugged and durable cart design ensures stability and ease of maneuverability, making it ideal for both indoor and outdoor projects. The adjustable pressure control lets you customize your spray patterns to suit the task at hand, and the easy-to-clean design ensures quick and efficient cleanup once the job is done. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe and hit the bell for daily helpful videos. Check the description for more info and prices. Leave a comment for assistance. Enjoy life with our amazing products. Thanks for watching, have a great day.